Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 6. For those of you new here, my name is Gianna. I make lifestyle videos, fashion videos, styling videos, all those types of things. And I'm so glad you're here. If you're not new, welcome back. Always good to see you. So in today's video, we are starting the video off pretty early. It's 7:30 a.m. on a Saturday. And you're probably thinking, wow, what are you doing up right now? And I'll tell you. I am going to shoot, and I normally would go shoot with Paul, but as of lately, I have been shooting with my tripod. So Paul goes golfing every Saturday now, and then normally me and Moo will hop in the car and we'll go shoot. And that has been working out really well. And then if I ever need any like other types of content during the week, I'll just have Paul go and help me shoot. So that's what this video is going to be today, showing you guys how I shoot content on my own. I'm still pretty new to it, but I figured that since a lot of my last posts on Instagram, which if you're not following me on Instagram, you should definitely go check out my page. If you like seeing outfits of the day and just different types of styling on my Instagram, I post a lot of affordable style, which is something that I'm really into, and just finding pieces from places that people normally don't shop at. So if you're into something like that, then you can go check out my Instagram, and I would really enjoy that if you gave it a follow and then said that you came from my YouTube so I can know and just shout you guys out or something. But happy Vlogmas Day 6, and I'm just really excited. So now we are officially halfway through. I'm pretty sure yesterday I said like almost halfway through, but today we are officially halfway through. So if you're not subscribed, go subscribe. Alright, I just finished getting ready. Packing up my tripod right now, which if you haven't seen, I believe it was Vlogmas Day 3, things I've been loving. That video, I will have it linked obviously above and down below. But my go-to Fuji Tech, whatever it's called, tripod, love it. I'm just packing her up because she's the best. Let's go, shall we? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. My house is a mess, but it's fine. I'm out of focus. Just grabbing one more bag to shoot with. All right, we're back in my car that has the literal worst lighting ever. But, oh my god, that dog. Oh my god. But it's looking very dark out, which I'm gonna get copyrighted, which is worrying me a little bit. The way I'm going looks light, unlike this clip right now, but I'm hoping that we get some good lighting. There's like nobody out right now, which is nice. But like I was saying earlier, I have like mainly two places that I like to shoot. One, I'm by myself, and they're always parking garages, just because this building is very big, because they are normally very empty, especially on the weekend. If you're going to like a doctor's office or something, dead empty. Yeah, we're gonna drive to my spot. I'll set you guys up to show, and yeah, we'll get some good looks, hopefully. Oh goodness, I'm nervous. It's always hit or miss with my looks, so we'll see. Oh my god, this lighting. Okay. We just got here, excuse the lighting, but we are at the parking deck where I'm gonna shoot my first sweatshirt outfit. I'm gonna try and shoot all of my looks on this parking deck, so we shall see. Ladies, but basically, I'm gonna get my tripod ready. I'm gonna try and get full body, close up, stuff like that. So yeah, and where I am, it's kind of like right behind a wall, so I really hope that I'm okay here, but this place is a little risky where I am right now. I'm in a common place, so we'll see. As you can see here, I'm just kind of showing you guys how I pose and how I just move my body so I can get a bunch of different shots at once. While all this is going on, I'm simultaneously clicking the Bluetooth remote over and over again, just so I can get as many shots as possible and in so many different angles. So that's why I'm moving back and forth so much and all over the place. I look like a crazy woman. Okay, I'm gonna sit on the floor. So you see how high up my camera is? So I'm gonna sit on the floor so I get a higher angle.
And then here you see I'm just sitting on the floor. I said it earlier, I kind of just propped my phone up higher so I could get a more above angle, and I feel like this is really cute when you're sitting on the ground because it just seems like somebody's taking a photo of you from above, and it's a little bit more flattering, just having your head up and you're getting like the light in your face and all that. So you can see there I'm just kind of like taking them from above, and then I move the camera and I turn it the other way so the tripod is kind of level with my body. So I'm making sure I'm getting my full outfit in the shot and just, again, moving my body all over the place to make sure I get a bunch of different angles. And this is how these shots came out.
Alrighty. First look is done. Let's get in the car so I can explain to you guys what I just did. Okay, so basically what I just did was I tried to shoot from a bunch of different angles. So I did it from above, head on, from below. So basically if you like to shoot with your legs looking super long, I would recommend putting the camera way lower and like kind of angling it up a little bit. I don't do that often. I did that a lot in the summer when I was tan and I was wearing like a lot of shorts, but I'm not wearing that anymore. So yeah, ideally I probably should have shot this look last since, yeah, but I'm gonna move now on the other side because I have to change and like there's a bunch of windows in front of me, so I'm gonna change and go move. But once I look over the footage, I probably will do like a voiceover and kind of explain to you guys what I did. But yeah, let's go move to the other side. And for those of you who are wondering, I change right in my car, so here we go. Not gonna show this, but you get the gist. So basically, this is getting good. I just turned around and they're taking pictures on the helipad. So I'll try and get you guys a picture. I don't know if you can see those little beings up there. Do you guys see them? Oh my god, they're gonna, and it's not like they're gonna be leaving anytime soon. So I'm gonna try and shoot this look right here so they don't see me. But I have it all on, so let's go.
Next look, my camera Bluetooth remote died, so this is just video footage of it. But as you can see, I was just moving around a bunch again, but now that I was taking the photo more on a video setting as opposed to clicking a clicker, I had to hold the shot for a little bit longer, which is why I'm kind of just standing in some areas for longer than others. But this is how these photos came out, and I thought they looked so cute.
Hello everyone, it is a few days later from the time that I started filming this video, and as you guys know, my tripod remote died, so I had to cut that part short. But I figured I would show you guys how I actually shoot content indoors as well by myself. And I do this often. I started doing this a lot when quarantine first happened because we couldn't really go out, and yeah, we just literally could not go out. So I figured I would show you guys how I normally shoot inside by myself. And of course, I should mention that this portion of the video also applies to when you're shooting outdoors by yourself.
Okay, so this started off my indoor content, and I just took these again from above, and you can see this a little bit better than my other one just because I have the screen recording of it. But I took those above shots, and like I said earlier, it's just a lot more flattering and it's just a different angle, and I feel like getting different angles is really important to having a nice looking feed, so every photo is just not the same head-on shot. So this is how these photos came out. I wasn't totally in love with them, but I felt like they were okay, and I figured I'll just Photoshop the background out. And then I took some detail shots here, which came out like this, and they just looked really cute. I thought I like having some variety of faraway shots and closer up shots just to give my feet a little bit of some oomph, I guess I would say. So I really enjoyed how these came out, and I just moved my body again in all different positions to get the best shot.
So I just took a few like 3/4 length one, and as you guys can see, the camera is like here right in front of me, so I have it pretty like equal height with me. So like the camera top is like kind of like right here on me, but obviously when you take pictures on the camera, it kind of zooms you out. So I just took a few of those.
For these next photos, I kind of sped it up a little bit because it was getting a little bit repetitive, but I had these kind of a little bit below my body, kind of a lower angle just so I can get my legs to look a little bit longer. So that's how these photos came out. I thought they were super cute. Just a good indoor shot. And then I moved the camera a little bit closer to get some closer up detailed shots of my body. So they came out like this, and I thought they came out really, really nice. Again, just a variety on my feed. And then I moved the camera up just so I could get a little bit more of a leveled shot, although the camera is still a little bit lower than my head, as you can see, but this just kind of gives a different look to the photo. Kind of seems head on, but it's not directly head on, which I like. So I don't look like a stiff, flat person. But this is how this photo came out. And you can see it just is a completely different angle and just gives the body a little bit more length, which I love.
And there you guys have it. That concludes my how to shoot content on your own video, little tips, little tricks. I basically just showed you guys everything that I do when I go to shoot content on my own. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from it, and I really hope that it was helpful. I can't wait to make another one of these in probably like a few months and show you guys some more tips and tricks that I learned, because obviously, like I said at the beginning of this video, this is something that you have to practice at and get better with over time, between getting the nerves of shooting in public by yourself to just working to get the best angles. I feel like something like this takes a lot of practice and a lot of patience, so just keep that in mind if you are new to shooting content by yourself. But I hope you guys really did enjoy this video and learn something from it, and please tell me some of your tips and tricks down below if you shoot content on your own and there are certain things that you must do before you do it, or just things that you think make your shooting content days so much easier. I'm always open to hearing any types of other tips and tricks you guys have. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribed down below if you're not subscribed already. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.